Hello, greetings and salutations. My name is SarahJaneCruickshank and welcome to my Wall Street Forex trading hub. Actually, it's my garage. I trade Forex out of my garage around the craziness of family life. I am a full-time mum. I do this as a living. I earn money online using Forex. And it is so simple. And I do most of it. Don't let this fool you. Right, even though I do come in here and look at my charts, I do most of my trading off of my mobile phone. Yes, it's true. As a busy mum, I trade in the car, I trade in the supermarket, and it's all thanks to an incredible phone app called SwipeTrades. Woo! Literally, I have professional traders sending me Forex signals to my phone. And then all I need to do is go into my MetaTrader 4. So I look at the trade ideas on my MetaTrader 4. I draw in a few trend lines. And there is a little secret sauce that you will find out if you're interested in what I do to make these incredibly successful. Not only do I get SwipeTrades sent to my phone, I'm also part of Boyd's Pips. Now, Boyd's Pips is an exclusive, a team exclusive. And they are sending signals straight to my phone. These are professional traders. Professional traders are sending me their trade signals. Okay, how exciting is that? And for me, a mum at home, to be able to tap into this $1 trillion industry and pull profits out of the markets from my garage, on my mobile phone, on the school run, in the supermarket, it's just insane. Now, I want to share with you exactly what I'm doing. My strategy, the signals. I'd like to show you exactly how we are getting on. I'd like to show you our team, our trading community. This is my Forex group. This is on Facebook. It's called Making Sense of Forex Trading, and I welcome you to come and join. There's no obligation. Come and watch me trade live. Come and watch my results. Come and see how I'm doing with this, okay? So that is Making Sense of Forex Trading. Please check it out. There's only 3 things I need you to do to get my secret strategy. Okay, number 1 is like this video. Number 2 is share this video. And number 3, comment number 1 below and I will send you a link to my personal private group. So you can have a look around, no obligation, and see exactly what it is I'm doing. I will share my strategy, I will trade live, I will show you exactly what I'm doing to win with Forex. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside of that group. Please remember, like, share and comment number 1 down below, and I can't wait to meet you.